is 5%, right? 1:3 reward ratio. So I know that if I do a butterfly, my maximum loss is 1500 and my maximum profit is 4800. Interesting. Zabardast hai na? Superb strategy, right? And everything is available in options box for free. This platform is completely free for you, and you pay zero brokerage on this if you subscribe to StoxCalls. And outside the market, in these platforms are extremely costly, and they don't give you research, they don't give you education. In fact, they only want brokerage, right? Whereas we don't work on brokerage, we work on helping you make money in the market, right? So in this range, if the market goes only between and around 22,950, you can take a straddle and you can hedge it with OTM call option and put option and make it a butterfly. And then you limit your losses. And if you want to trade, you can actually trade from here itself. You can do a manual trade here. All the legs will get opened here. Then you can simply submit. Order submitted to the exchange. For details, please check order book. So let me go to my order book. Holdings, positions. So now this is a strategy that is running right now, right? So now I will group it. I create a new group. What is this called? All Nifty options which are live right now. Create a new group. Butterfly. 22,950 strike, right? So this is for my understanding. Create a new group. Butterfly 22,950. Create. Now I can track P&L over here. See over here, if you see चार options का आपको पता नहीं चलेगा कि यार इसका ये strategy का कितना मेरा P&L बन रहा है. अलग अलग आप देख नहीं सकते, correct? That's why this groups facility will give you directly over here कि इसका strategy का price कितना है. Alternatively, you can also go here into this dashboard और यहाँ पर भी आपको दिखेगा नेट पोजीशंस चल रहा है मेरा 13 रुपए डाउन है. ओके, स्टेटस ओपन है, स्ट्रेटेजी एनालिसिस. बट यहाँ पे आप रीनेम वगैरह नहीं कर सकते हो. आपका पोजीशंस आपके यहाँ पर है तो आप यहाँ पे आप डायरेक्टली आप ट्रैक कर सकते हो. This is an excellent platform that we have built for you, that you can track everything, in groups over here. Let me delete all these other groups. Deleted. नेकेड ऑप्शंस को रखता हूँ, शॉर्ट टर्म को रखता हूँ. ठीक है. सो मेरा बटरफ्लाई में 4 लेग है और इसका भी करंट प्राइस है 3 रुपए 17 रुपए. चलता रहेगा टाइम डिके के हिसाब से. जितना टाइम वो उधर ही रुकेगा, जितना टाइम स्ट्रेटेजी इधर ही रुकेगा, तब तक वो मेरा चलते रहेगा. एनालाइज स्ट्रेटेजी. एक सेकेंड, इट्स नॉट रिफ्लेक्टिंग हियर. लेट मी गो. स्टेटस ओपन. This is the leg. I can analyze my strategy again. Right. So this is my strategy. This is the butterfly I have taken. My max loss is 1500 and my max profit is 47. अभी मेरा max profit 4780 हो गया, depending upon the price at which I have bought. Okay. And my max loss is 1:3 is my 3.25 is my risk reward. Excellent risk reward. Max loss is 1470. So I will hold this till expiry. और अगर इसी में मेरे को अगर 2000-3000 तक आ गया, 50% के ऊपर प्रॉफिट आ गया, तो आई विल एग्जिट. राइट, आई विल एग्जिट बाय बुकिंग द प्रॉफिट. आई एक्सपेक्टेड आज शाम तक इसमें कम से कम 1000 रुपए का प्रॉफिट हो जाना चाहिए अगर मार्केट इधर ही रहेगा तो. इवन देन दैट एट दैट टाइम आल्सो विल एग्जिट. राइट. सो अगर मैंने आपको एक स्ट्रेटेजी बताया बटरफ्लाई नैरो रेंज में, तो आप सेल कॉल पुट ऑफ द सेम स्ट्राइक. अगर वाइड रेंज होगा तो क्या होगा? राइट, साइडवेज है लेकिन रेंज थोड़ा बड़ा है. वो एक स्ट्राइक के पास नहीं, 2 स्ट्राइक के बीच में भागने वाला है. राइट. 22,950 का स्ट्राइक नहीं, वो 22,850 और 23,050 के बीच में भागने वाला, राइट, जैसे पहले बताया था, राइट। तो अब क्या करोगे, ऑप्शन चेन में जाओ, आपको लग रहा है कि मार्केट 22,850 दो स्ट्राइक ऊपर और 23,050 दो स्ट्राइक नीचे, ये रेंज में ही घूमने वाला है। तो मैं क्या करूंगा, आई विल टेक वन wide range wala strike which is 22,600. I will sell this one, right? Call option OTM, call option OTM. I will sell this one. Sorry, call option OTM ये नहीं है, कॉल 22,950। ये मेरे को लगेगा कि इसके ऊपर नहीं जाएगा, इसके ऊपर 23,400 के ऊपर नहीं जाएगा, तो मैं इसका एक कॉल ऑप्शन बेचता हूँ। वैसे ही नीचे अगर जाएगा तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 22,500 के नीचे नहीं जाएगा। सेल, वो रिफ्रेश हो गया है। 23,400 एंड 22,500, एक कॉल ऑप्शन और एक पुट ऑप्शन को मैं बेचूंगा। अभी बन गया ये वाइड रेंज। अब ये देखिए, ऊपर पहले माउंटेन एकदम पॉइंटेड था, अभी माउंटेन फ्लैट हो गया ऊपर का। माउंटेन जब फ्लैट हो गया तो मेरा रेंज थोड़ा वाइड हो गया, माई रेंज हैज बिकम लिटिल वाइडर। So if the market lies in between 23,400 on the higher side and 22,500 on the lower side, then I will make money. Okay, but इसमें भी loss unlimited है, the loss is unlimited in this. But how much profit I make? Max profit I will make is 1,700 rupees, but max loss is undefined, unlimited. Right now, if I want to minimize my losses, what I will do? I will add two legs. Same like what we have done earlier, one call option and one put option on even higher. So 23,400, 23,000, say 23,600 I will buy, and 22,500, say 20 lower than that, 23,300 I will buy. Okay, and then analyze. Right now, this is called as iron condor. Now this is iron condor. Now in this, what is the max profit? 930 rupees. What is the max loss? 4,070. So this is not advisable. At what prices, at what premium it is available right now, this is not advisable. So it is risk reward is very less. So you will not enter this. Understood? So the market is very, the option prices are very clearly telling you that it is going to revolve around 22,950 only. And the wider ranges, the prices, the option premiums beyond that are very long. Very, very high, because of which your losses are very high. If you go farther, say 800, and this I will reduce by another 200, 22,100, then analyze. Still, you make max profit of around 1,200 and max loss is 88,700. Still, you'll be making losses. On the higher side, the risk reward is not supporting. The risk reward is 1:0.15. You should not enter. So the premium prices, the option premiums are not supporting you to enter these strikes. Clear? So coming back to this triangle, we'll write it down. Sell, call put of wider range OTM. Okay. Sell call put of wider range OTM. And that will get converted into iron condor. This is naked and this is hedged or covered. As इतना easily आपको इतना simple कोई समझाएगा नहीं. These lessons or these webinars are extremely useful for you to become an expert in option trading, for you to practice. Okay, StoxBox gives you all these things for free. I mean, it's the value broker concept where we give you value to learn all these trading techniques and follow stocks calls. Let us see if there are any stocks calls today. I'm making around 28 rupees, 26 rupees. So धीरे धीरे करके बढ़ेगा ये. Slowly it will increase. Right. Go to stocks calls. There is an early exit in this, in profit or in loss. 936, 938, target 956. So it has achieved the target of 5%. Good. And then there is a book full profit, book full, buy, book partial, book partial. Book. See, all this knowledge that you are getting is to trade on stocks calls very easily. Right? Yesterday there was a butterfly strategy that was given in Bank Nifty. Right? And what are the long-term stocks that we have? Okay, I think I have all these things. So let me go to my holdings. So these are the holdings that I have right now. Okay. These are the positions that I'm holding. Okay, so 40, 45, 23. It's going up and down. So stocks calls will give you an easy way, a very simplistic way of making money. Again, you update book full. Okay, Banco India, AI. I did not trade on stocks calls for the last 1.5 weeks. That's why you don't see any stock that I'm holding. Otherwise, you will find it that if I'm holding any stock, वो यहाँ पे दिखा देता है. Asian Prime 20 I have, Century Prime 100, and New York 30 I have. An easy way to create wealth. You just have to follow what stocks calls is asking you to do. Dabur also book partial. Update the stop loss price. Similarly, Gujarat Gas. Update the stop loss price. I mean, the strike rate is 70% plus, and then you make good money by following stocks calls. Understand all the learning that we are giving you. Understand the platform, how to use it, and then analyze using options box for trading. Understand the basics of charting, understand the basics of payoff matrix, understand the basics of all these parameters, and then just simply follow the stocks calls to make money. The easiest way to make money. All right. Okay. With this, I think I will be ending the session. We have today we have learned options box features. We have understood the option chain. I have explained to you all the option strategies that are required for all the markets. Mastering stocks calls. Let me spend 2 to 3 minutes around this. See, stocks calls, I mean, with a lot of questions that you're asking, it's extremely easy. You just have to keep on looking at the notifications that you get on your mobile. So download the mobile app StoxBox. You keep getting notifications in that. And here, if there is any update in the dashboard, immediately you will get us latest stocks calls. Just keep looking at it once in a half an hour time or once in a hour time at least. And if there is any new update on it, just act on it. How do you know what to do? Click on this. Here you will get that, it's a BTST early exit. That means you have to exit that. Go to stocks calls. Here the action is written very clearly. The moment it says book full, means you have to book full profits. You just have to exit that. Right? Let me see if there is any call on my holdings. Then I will show you what action to take. Now, right now, I'm holding only these four. I have not traded on any stocks call yesterday. AMIORG. Is there any option given here? Nothing, right? So it's just buy call initiated. So I will hold this. Asian Paints. Any update given? Okay. Asian Paints buy call initiated. No action to take. Leave it. Century Ply. Any update given? No option given, right? It's just buy call initiated. No other action option given. So I'll just leave it. Done. So this is how you review your holdings and then you take actions on your stocks calls, whether you have to exit or whether you have to enter. Now these calls are still open. Do you want to add more? Let me add 20 stocks of Asian Paints more because I think the price is available at a lower price. And moreover, I'm holding less quantity of it. So let me add. So the price is, so let me add 10 more. This is how you take decisions. Why? Okay, long term है. Okay, रखा है. And there are more long-term stocks which are available, which I have not bought because I want to invest only 2.5 lakhs in no at any point of time in the investments and do short term. Rest of the money I put it for short term. And in short term, if there is any call right now available, let me see. Okay, ITI swing trade. Recommended is 313. Target is 366. Let me buy. One second, my internet is little shaky today. Yeah, my internet is little shaky today. Let's see. There are some questions. Okay, I've got a couple of questions. Okay, when will you start mentorship program on options? That we will do, madam. We will let you know the dates for that. And please take action for inclusion of feature for converting intraday. Okay, intraday to delivery option is coming in another couple of weeks. It's already, delivery has already come and it is under testing with our testers. I think there is some issue with my internet. Anyways, I'm open for questions now. So we have nicely covered options box features, understanding options, option strategies, mastering stocks calls, right? All of these things that we have learned. I mean, I wish you all the best. I mean, keep practicing. Don't enter into option trading without understanding how to use option chain, how to use levels, how to understand basic charting. Don't do any naked option trading just because it's available at a very low price and instead of buying a stock, you buy a option contract thinking that market will move up and buy a option call uh, without knowing that there will be a time decay and then your entire capital can get lost. Don't do such kind of trading. Uh, be responsible with your money. Take care of your money. That money is for your children, your spouse, your future generations, and your create your wealth. You don't do gambling with options. Options is just another instrument. It's an exotic instrument which if used nicely can create wealth. If you do not understand options and then you just buy it just like you're buying any chocolates or biscuits from a kirana store, then you will lose money in options. You have to use option strategies to hedge and cover your position so that your capital loss doesn't happen or at least your loss is minimized. You have to be very careful with that. All right. Anyone having any questions can, I'll wait for another 5 minutes. If anyone has any questions, you can ask in the chat window or Q&A window. Otherwise, we can end the session for today. All right. I think there are no more questions. Thank you all. Thank you so much for attending this session. The next webinar will be next Friday. We will inform you about the agenda and everything.